How to delete a YouTube playlist on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So it is a very simple process in my opinion. So all you have to do is go into YouTube and search or find the kind of playlist that you want to delete. You can do this by clicking on the bottom right corner, which is the library. And once you're here, you can see all the available playlists that you have created in the past. And let's say I want to delete the EG playlist on my iPhone. You can see the screen right now. And if you want to delete this playlist as a whole, you will have to click on the top right corner where the three dots are present. And once you're here, you can see clearly this option called delete playlist. Once I click on it and click on delete again, that's it, the playlist is now removed. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can delete a playlist on your iPhone. I hope it was simple and easy to understand, and if it was, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.